Welcome to India Today. I'm Anjali Stawal, and we are beginning this bulletin with big breaking news coming in from West Bengal. It seems Mamata Banerjee is leading a protest march against the SIR exercise, which is the Special Intensive Revision of the Electoral Roll. The phase 2 of that exercise has kicked off in India in many states, and West Bengal is one of those states. Mamata Banerjee, who's been raising her voice against this exercise, is leading a protest march in Kolkata, as you can see on your screens right now. These visuals are coming live from Kolkata. She has hit the streets of Kolkata and leading a protest march. TMC Netas, along with her, joining this march and walking behind her. Now, this SIR showdown is on the boil in Kolkata as Mamata Banerjee, who has been repeatedly criticizing the exercise and saying that this is an attempt from the central government to take away the voting rights of the minorities in the weak, there on the streets of Kolkata right now. Joining us right now is India Today's Indrajit Kundu. Indrajit, tell us, what is Mamata Banerjee marching against?
Well, this is a mega protest rally organized by the Trinamool Congress, the first of its kind as far as the SIR exercise is concerned, and it comes on a very day when the Election Commission has begun the SIR process in the state. You would know that the hundreds and thousands of block level officers, booth level officers, BLOs will be out visiting various voters' houses to distribute enumeration form. And the Trinamool Congress has, of course, chosen this very day to protest, to register its protest opposing the SIR exercise at a time when other opposition parties, be it the DMK or the Congress, have also opposed this exercise. They're calling it backdoor NRC. The Trinamool Congress says this is backdoor NRC, and shortly from now I'll be able to show you Mamata Banerjee leading the rally along with Trinamool Congress second in command Abhishek Banerjee. This mega show of strength and protest march by the Trinamool Congress. They don't want to get rid of this opportunity to hit out at the central government and the BJP at the same time. Remember, similar mega protests was witnessed by West Bengal during the CAA NRC movement a few years back. And once again, what we are seeing, of course, is that Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool top brass have taken to the streets to hit home the point at a time when the BJP is upping the ante in West Bengal, saying that once the SIR exercise is conducted, at least 1 crore and more voters, bogus voters, would be deleted from the voters list. Now, that has become a huge flashpoint here in the politics of West Bengal, with the Trinamool Congress claiming that how is it that the opposition BJP, which of course is in power at the center, how are they being able to give such a number that 1 crore, 1.5 crore people will be deleted from the voters list? So that has become a flashpoint, really, Anjali, with the BJP saying and upping the rhetoric that lakhs and crores of voters would be deleted because they believe that those are illegal Bangladeshi infiltrators. Now, West Bengal is a state which shares a few thousand kilometers of porous border with Bangladesh, and this is a very, very sensitive issue given the shared history between India and Bangladesh. Ever since the formation of Bangladesh in 1970s, before that and even after that, in various decades, we have seen hordes of people coming in from the other side. A lot of them, of course, Hindu refugees. Now, those Hindu refugees, mostly from the Matua community in the bordering districts, there is also an anxiety amongst the Matua community members. And we've seen that today at this rally, led by the Trinamool Congress, Matua community members have also joined. Now, they form a very, very crucial vote bank here in West Bengal. And the BJP, with their promise to bring in CAA, had got the full backing and support of the Matua community in the past successive elections, be it the 2019 Lok Sabha election or the 2021 Assembly and last year's Lok Sabha election. So at this point in time, this SIR exercise has taken full political proportions. It's a flashpoint between the opposition and the ruling Trinamool Congress. And as you can see, we are right at the heart of Kolkata. This is the Esplanade area, and a huge gathering of people. People are out on the streets. Trinamool Congress supporters are out on the streets. It's a weekday. So, of course, office goers, they're all, out here trying to catch a glimpse of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And, of course, Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee doing what they do best. This is her USP. Mamata Banerjee has risen up from such street protests.
Absolutely, Indrajit. Mamata Banerjee is at it again, walking and registering her protest. But BJP is calling it a drama to save infiltrators.
It's not a political program. It's a program of Jamaat Michil led by Khala Mamata Banerjee. A particular community participated. The TMC, the Mamata Banerjee, is trying to protect the Muslims, Bangladeshi Muslims.
And now it's time to cut across to Sakshi Batra of Business Today with all the updates of the market.